Welcome sa ating Skadventures. Samahan niyo ako sa ating Malaysia balikan trip. So this is just a short journey ng pagpunta ko sa Malaysia for work-related purposes. And dito makikita nyo kung gaano kadali yung transportation from the airport to their different cities. So, ngayon, medyo madali lang yung sa akin kasi sa Kuala Lumpur lang din naman ako pupunta. So, from the airport, diretso lang ako just a few terminals away directly dun sa hotel kung saan ako nakabook, which is located dun sa Chinatown ng Kuala Lumpur. So ayan, dito medyo swinerte lang tayo kasi yung view natin is the second tallest building in the world, which is the Merdeka 118 in KL. So pumunta ako dito nang walang luggage, talagang backpack lang yung dala ko since ang sabi lang nila sa akin is magdala lang ako ng outdoor shoes and long socks na ginagamit namin sa sport, and then they will provide the rest. So as a coach and as an ambassador of the sport of field hockey here in the Philippines, I was lucky to be invited to play sa newly built hockey pitch sa Kuala Lumpur. So unlike sa Philippines, field hockey is a big sport here in Malaysia, kaya we are here to see as well kung paano mai-adapt sa Pilipinas or kung paano mai-improve yung facilities since we're just starting or nag-establish pa lang tayo ng sa atin. Since this sport is also growing in our country, I encourage everyone to try it out, especially the young ones who are looking forward to represent our country. So instead of magsiksikan tayo sa mga mainstream sports or yung mga oversaturated sports, this is also an option, and malay ninyo, dito nyo ma-achieve yung career to be a national athlete and to represent our country internationally. So after the game, diretso sa hotel, then work muna, and then the next morning, diretso na tayo sa airport. So during this trip, first time ko lang din na mag-check-in sa KL Central. So it's easier since dun na nila kukunin yung luggages nyo, then sasakay na lang kayo ng train, and then i-skip nyo na yung part ng check-in, especially dun sa airport, which is dun talaga maraming tao. And so I was able to skip this part. Then diretso na kagad sa immigration. So it's very seamless from KL Central to the airport. Sobrang dali lang. And if meron kayo luggages na dala, pwede kayong mag-check-in na ng luggage doon mismo sa KL Central, and then makikita nyo na lang yung luggage nyo pag nasa Pilipinas na. But I think doon sa pag-check-in, only the people who will book Malaysian Airlines will have the benefit of this. Thank you. See you in the next one.